In my last video, I shared how I earned my first money online, but this one's a little different. It's the full story of how I landed that first $50 foreign client. Actually, my very first client was a foreign client. So this was around June 2024. Now you might be thinking, wait, didn't I say January in that video? Yes, but as I also said, before I got that client, I had already sent over 1000 plus outreach messages. That's why it took until June. In that video, I talked about drop servicing. Drop servicing is a very simple business model. You connect a client with a service provider and keep the margin in between. Let me explain with an example. Let's say there's a client in the US who wants his videos edited. So you approach him as a freelancer and quote him, let's say $100 for that project. Now here's the best part. You don't actually do the work yourself. Instead, you hire another freelancer from countries where labor costs are lower, like India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and you give them $30 for the same work. That means you keep the difference, $70, as pure profit, without doing the actual work yourself. I thought it would be easy, and in almost every YouTube video I watched, they all said the same thing. First get the client, then find the freelancer. Worst advice ever. Because when I got my client, I quoted him $50. The problem is that project wasn't worth $50. It was worth way more. I went on a hunt for the freelancers and everyone was asking for $100, $200, and some even quoted me $1000. I was like, I quoted him $50, and then I realized that's why he gave the project to me. Then I made the boldest decision of my life. I'll do the work myself. Problem, I had zero experience, so I went back to YouTube and started watching tutorials. Everyone recommended DaVinci Resolve for professional editing. Sounds good, right? But my laptop had no space. But somehow I managed to install it. Don't ask me how I did it. I think I transferred files to my phone using InShare and some on a pen drive. It took hours, literally 2 to 3 GB downloading on no Wi-Fi, and my laptop was lagging. Finally it installed. I opened it and boom, pop up. Your laptop doesn't have a dedicated GPU, can't run DaVinci Resolve. And I was like, then why the hell did you even let me download it? Then back to YouTube again. This time I found CapCut. Lightweight, beginner friendly, downloaded it, and I realized CapCut is banned in India. So assets and filters won't work. Very good. Then another round of hack, VPN download, and somehow I made it work. Then came the client's raw material. He asked, should I send the drive link? And I was like, what? Drive? You won't believe me, I wouldn't even know what drive is at that time. What is cloud storage, how people upload on it. Then I googled and I came to know that all the clients give all the raw clips in the drive link. So much brain damage. I finally got the clips, then the real grind started. I started watching tutorials, and you know how I used to watch tutorials? I watch tutorials on my phone, editing on my laptop. Now you may think, why not just switch tabs on the laptop? Well, my laptop lagged so badly, switching tabs was impossible. And while editing, my laptop got so much heat up, like I swear it felt like I could toast bread on it. And here's the next problem. There was no AC at my home back then. I bought it now, 2 months back. So what did I do? I went back to my Wagoner. Yeah, the same place where I made the client calls. Now it became my editing studio. I sit in the car and whenever my laptop heats up, I turn on the car, put the laptop in front of the AC. I don't know what it is called, I think AC outlet. I put the laptop in front of the AC outlet for 5 minutes until it cooled down and then turn off the car again to save petrol. Yeah. I repeat this cycle for hours. Edit, laptop heats up, car AC, then edit again. After 2 to 3 days, finally I finished the edit. I was happy until I tried exporting. I clicked the export button and again, boom, pop up. You have used CapCut's Pro feature, pay for Pro or exit. And I got so much irritated, like it should It should lock the features in the very start of the editing. My heart sank. 3 days of work. If I started over, client would leave me. That's when I made the craziest hack of my life. I dug deep into the cache file, created the compound clip, pre-processed it, and then exported. And my big brain, I sent the final link to the client without any upfront payment. Then silence. No calls answered, no messages. I thought I got ditched. And here's the funny part. I wasn't even sad. I was actually happy because I finally edited my first client's video all by myself. Like the process was so much fun, full of thrill. I didn't even regret of not taking upfront payment. And then after 4 to 5 days, notification. You have received $50. The moment priceless, not because of the money, but because I proved to myself I can figure things out no matter what. I did not get the full $50 because PayPal cut something for currency transaction. I got something 46.5 or something. Then I bought this green screen. I got this for $4 to $5. I'll give the link in the description. Now, if you want me to break down drop servicing in detail, if you want a detailed guide on drop servicing, comment down below drop servicing. And if I see 100 plus comments, I'll make that guide. Now I know I'm asking more than the average comments I get, but because a detailed guide takes so much efforts, a 1 to 2 hour class. If enough people wants it, I'll make it. If not, you can go back to watching on YouTube.